Have you ever felt like the universe is trying to tell you something? Like there's a hidden roadmap guiding you toward your purpose, your relationships, or even your untapped potential? For centuries, people have turned to the stars for answers, not just to predict the future, but to uncover the truths already written in their cosmic blueprint. Your luck is about to change. But are you ready? Life is full of twists, turns, and moments that leave us wondering, what's next? Maybe you've been stuck in a rut, waiting for a breakthrough. Or perhaps you sense opportunity lingering just out of reach, like a puzzle missing one final piece. What if the key to unlocking your blessings isn't just about hard work or patience, but about alignment? Astrology isn't about fate controlling your life, it's about understanding the unique energy of your star sign to make empowered choices. Your zodiac sign holds clues about your strengths, challenges, and the opportunities that align with your soul's journey, and right now, the cosmos is stirring. Your moment is here. What do the stars reveal about you? Each zodiac sign carries its own magic. Whether you're a fiery Aries charging toward new horizons, or an intuitive Pisces diving into emotional depths, your sign is a compass pointing you toward growth. Here's a glimpse of what the universe might be urging you to discover. Aries, March 21st, April 19th. Is your boldness being challenged? The stars hint at a surge of courage and a chance to lead. Taurus, April 20th, May 20th. Stability meets transformation. Are you ready to release old habits for abundance? Gemini, May 21st, June 20th. Curiosity is your superpower. A pivotal conversation could change everything. Cancer, June 21st, July 22nd. Your emotional wisdom is a gift. Protect your energy and watch opportunities bloom. Leo, July 23rd, August 22nd. The spotlight awaits. Will you step into it with confidence? Virgo, August 23rd, September 22nd. Precision meets intuition. Trust your gut, it's sharper than you think. Libra, September 23rd, October 22nd. Balance is calling. What relationships or projects deserve your focus? Scorpio, October 23rd, November 21st. Depth and transformation are your allies. What's ready to be reinvented? Sagittarius, November 22nd, December 21st. Adventure beckons. Are you prepared to expand your horizons? Capricorn, December 22nd, January 19th. Ambition meets clarity. Your discipline is about to pay off. Aquarius, January 20th, February 18th. Innovation fuels you. What bold idea is waiting for your spark? Pisces, February 19th, March 20th. Your creativity is a beacon. Let intuition guide your next move. Why now is the time to act? The planets are in motion, creating a celestial window for growth. But cosmic opportunities don't wait forever. Imagine having a personalized guide to navigate this pivotal moment. A blueprint tailored to your sign's strengths, challenges, and hidden blessings. That's exactly what awaits you in your free astrology reading. This isn't just about generic horoscopes, it's about diving deep into your story. Uncover hidden obstacles blocking your path. Discover 2025's biggest opportunities for love, career, and personal growth. Learn how to align with the universe's rhythm to attract luck and abundance. Your personalized cosmic roadmap is one click away. The stars have already written their message. Will you listen? Visit the link in the description below to begin your free astrology reading. The universe doesn't whisper forever. If you felt a nudge to explore what's meant for you, this is your sign, literally. Your free reading is more than insight. It's the first step toward claiming the life you're destined to live. Don't just watch the stars, align with them. Your luck changes when you do.